Shivani here, for those of you who don't know me, and today we are going to do 3 different hairstyles for our shorter hair. So this hair tutorial is actually very beginner friendly, so if you're somebody who remains confused about what all hairstyles are there and you're like French, Dutch, over, under, middle, so this tutorial is like for you guys. And in this particular hair tutorial I'm showing you 3 hairstyles, which is a French braid, a Dutch braid and a fishtail braid, and all these hairstyles are like half of hairstyle. That means half of your hair is going to be tied into braids and the rest of them you can keep them open. That's it guys. Also, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do guys, and also do not forget to like this video if you like it, and you can dislike it if you do not like it. That's your call. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first hairstyle that we are going to do guys is the Dutch braid, and let me tell you what is the mechanism or what is the rule of doing a Dutch braid. So first of all, I am going to do a Dutch braid at the top of my head, and for that I'm going to pick up hair just from my forehead. So you can see I've picked up my hair, and after that I'm going to divide them into 3 different sections. Now once done, I'm going to pick up my right section and take it under my middle section, and then I'm going to take my left section and then take it under the middle section. Now when I do it second time, I am going to add some hair from my hairline. So you can see how I'm adding some hair, and then I'm going to add it to the right section, and then I'm going to take it under my middle section. And we have to do the same process for our left section as well. So I'm going to add some hair from my hairline to the left section, and then we are going to keep braiding our hair the same way. I hope you guys would have got it. I've tried my level best to show you guys very closely how the hairstyle is done, because this is one of the hairstyles that is very common, and being a beginner at hairstyles, you must know how to do this braid. And yeah, that's it. And you can actually take this braid to like for your entire length, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stop braiding my hair after some time. So once all my hair are covered from the top section, I'm just going to do that braid for 2 or 3 times, and then I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tie up the braid. That's it guys, because we have shorter hair, so I think this looks better on us. And then what you have to do is you have to pull on the braids, that is the strands of the braid, so that the braid looks fuller and nice and beautiful. And I love this. So I'm an absolute fan of this kind of braid, and you guys really need to try it out. Now let's move on to our hairstyle number 2. Now this one is a little complicated, but it's easier when you get it. So this is the fishtail braid. You have to take some hair at one of the sides. So I've middle parted my hair, and then I'm going to pick up a section, divide it into 2, and then I'm going to work on my front section first, take some hair from it, cross it over to the last section or the back section. Now when I am going to do this again, I'm going to take some hair, add it to the back section, but I'm also going to take some hair under the front section and cross it over the back section. That means जो braid आप बना रहे हो, so the strands you're having right now, from there you have to pick some hair, एंड जो उसके साइड के हेयर है वहाँ से भी आपको स्ट्रैंड्स पिक करके ऐड करनी है टू द अपोजिट साइड. आई होप यू गाइज आर गेटिंग इट. सो दिस इज अ लिटिल ट्रिकी, but once you get it, your hands will work very nicely on a fishtail braid. And fishtail braid is one of the braids that is done so quickly guys once you get it, because the मैंने first time try किया था, I was like, what is this? This is such a difficult braid to do. But now this is my go-to braid, and whenever I don't know what to do with my hair, I always go for fishtail braid, क्योंकि बहुत intricate लगती है. It looks like you have put in a lot of efforts, but it is way too easy to do. Now you have to keep on doing this for the entire length of your hair, and इतना difficult नहीं है because we have shorter hair, so we can do it. Also guys, these hairstyles are beginner friendly because it's not just for people who have shorter hair, but it is also for people who have longer hair. These braids can be done on them as well. Now once it is done, I've also done it on the other side of my hair, and then I'm going to tie both of these braids with a hair tie. So this is a plastic hair tie, so you can get them easily in the market. And then I'm going to tie up both my braids, and also जो hair ties मैंने use की थी before, in order to tie up my braids, I'm going to remove it. And this is how my hairstyle looks. It's really nice. It's very boohoo. So if you're wearing a boohoo kind of dress, this hairstyle will look super good. And you can actually pair up this hairstyle with some jewelry as well, and you will look so good. And now we are at the last hairstyle of today's video, guys, and this one is the classic French braid. Now I have done this French braid like so many times on my channel, but because this video is specifically for beginners who are trying to learn hairstyles and they just want to know how to do certain hairstyles, so this is why French braid is very necessary. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to depart my hair, like you can see, and this is on my left side, and you can see how I've taken out my hair. So my hairline is visible, and rest of the hair I've tied them up so that they do not come in between, and I'm able to make my braid easily. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take a section of my hair, and I'm going to take every section over the middle section. So like for example, I'm on the front section, I'm going to add some hair into it and take it over the middle. Now when I reach my back section, you can see I add some hair into it and then I take it over the middle. Now I'm taking it over the middle, not under but over. So again, I'm at the front section, I'm going to add some hair to it and then I'm going to take it over the middle. Okay, so you have to keep on doing it for the entire length of your hair. And this one is easier because आपको पता है that what is the amount of hair you have to deal with. Now every time you add hair to your braid, make sure you do not add lot of it, because you have to make the braid from the hair which is actually available to you right now. Available, oh gosh, what I'm speaking. Okay, now this is done and you have to tie up your braid, and you can leave your braid like this right here. It looks very pretty. But if you want to go a step further, what you can do is you can pin up your braid right over there. And yeah, that's it. This is how you do a French braid. So these are all the half of hairstyles, guys, and these are very friendly for beginners. You guys can really do it. So these are the hairstyle, guys, for today's video, and I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching them, learned something out of them. And if you are going to recreate any of these hairstyles, please do DM me your pictures, guys, because I would love to see you guys in those hairstyles. So my Instagram handle is Shivani0296. So just DM me your pictures over there, and the best pictures would be shown in my stories. So that's it, guys. That's a great. I would be seeing you very soon with another video, and until then, stay blessed and stay happy.